Hey, my name is Connor, and welcome to Crypto Empire, where we dominate the crypto market. In this video, I'll be going over the price action of Bitcoin and Ethereum, because these assets have been trading sideways for several weeks now, and this compression will lead to a major expansive move soon. So I'll be sharing with you which direction I see the prices of Bitcoin, Ethereum, and several altcoins heading as well. So if that does interest you, be sure to stick with me until the end of this video. Without further ado, let's get right into it, and let the gains be with you. Taking a look at the overall cryptocurrency market cap, it is currently $1.22 trillion. It's been like this for several days now. Bitcoin trading just below 28K and Ethereum trading exactly at $1,850. Now let's hop right into these charts, and we're going to start out looking at Bitcoin. And looking at Bitcoin on the daily price chart, there's really not much to say here, right? We have been trading in this sideways, choppy consolidation now for over 3 weeks. If I take a date and time measurement, put it at the start of the consolidation to the current time, 22 bars, right, on the daily price chart. So over 3 weeks now, we have been going sideways and nothing has been happening. Now, if we go ahead and drop this down to a lower time frame, we'll look at the 2-hour price chart. I've went ahead and I marked the key levels inside of this zone. And the most important levels right now are the range low down here at $26,600. And we have the range high resistance up here at $28,800. And as we see, the price is sitting above the mid-range. However, really for the past several days, it's been dead quiet, completely sideways. So right now, Bitcoin is in a very interesting spot. It is still possible it breaks out and goes higher, straight to 30K here. But at the same time, it's also very possible that these range lows get tested. And if we jump this back out to a daily price chart, the most logical and obvious level of support below this range is the previous breakout at 25K. As we see here, 25K acted as support all the way back here in May of 2022 during that original crypto contagion in the bear market. Then again over here in August of 2022 during the Ethereum merge rally, Bitcoin hit 25K, topped out. And then also over here in February, Bitcoin hit 25K before that major pullback in March, boosted right up and broke out above it. And this breakout has not been retested yet. So below the range low at 26,600, the level that is most obvious to get tested is 25K here, $25,250. Now, even if we do go down and test 25K, I still do think that the price of Bitcoin will trade higher this year and eventually get back up to that 2022 yearly open, which, as we've discussed many times here in the channel, is 46K. Right, I think at least 40K is going to happen this year, but my maximum price target for this bear market rally in 2023 has not changed from $46,000. So as it stands right now, it's a holiday weekend. Happy Easter if you do celebrate. That's going to be happening tomorrow on Sunday. But as of right now, we are dead quiet in this range. And also, if I drop this down to a 1-hour price chart, I went ahead and I marked out a smaller range within the overall larger range. And as we see, off of this big impulse wave move higher, price went ahead and it peaked out before the first pullback at $28,660. It then went ahead and made a higher high, but then off of this pullback, the first place of the bounce was down here at $27,680. So I went ahead and marked these levels as range highs and range lows, and it's very easy to see that the price action has been respecting these range highs and range lows very well since the range formed back at the end of March, on March 29th. So the main thing to watch out for now is if Bitcoin is going to go ahead and break out above the mid-range, the 50% of the range over here at $28,170, flip it back into support and then attack the major resistance level again at 28,800, or if Bitcoin is going to go ahead and lose the range and head down to the bigger bottom of the range at $26,600. This is the main thing to be watching right now. There's a major debate on social media, on crypto Twitter, if Bitcoin's going to go up or down from here. I'm choosing to stay out of that debate. I'm not concerning myself with this price action because in reality, nobody knows which direction this is going to head in. I do lean bullish, but I'm also very well aware that the range low is down here at 26,600. And we do have this untested breakout level at $25,250. So I'm choosing to sit this out. I'm not trading this chop. I'm going to wait for it to resolve and we get a directional market again before I start engaging in active smaller time frame trades. But as of right now, straight chop. Now let's go ahead and take a look at Ethereum. And taking a look at the Ethereum price chart, similar to Bitcoin, however, it has broken out above the highs while Bitcoin has not. And of course, Ethereum has a major update coming with the Shanghai upgrade. This is going to allow the unstaking of Ethereum, and this is set to take place in just a few days on April 12th. At the current time of this recording, it is April 8th. So in 4 days now, the Ethereum Shanghai upgrade will take place. The Ethereum that is currently staked will be allowed to be unstaked. So we're going to see if this is a big sell the news event or if it actually turns out to be a bullish catalyst to push the price of Ethereum up higher and confirm this breakout of the highs. Because as of right now, the highs were previously over here at $1,850, exactly where current price is. And being that price is now below the yellow line, this is to be treated as a deviation. That is bearish. All right, this deviation means that price went ahead and it deviated above the highs. Now it's back below. That's a bearish price setup, and you would expect to pull back from this point. Now I've went ahead and I marked one main level to look for a pullback. That's $1,750, the bottom of this red zone. But it is also possible that we come down to the start of this gray box over here, which is going to be around $1,700. Right down here in this level of liquidity in this demand zone down here at 1,700. So Ethereum, it needs to go ahead. If it's going to push up higher, it needs to recover and start to close some daily candles above $1,850. But as of right now, this is looking like a deviation, which is bearish. That is not good. With the Shanghai upgrade right around the corner, it is possible that this is going to be a sell the news event. Now, if we do get a big flush out here, which is very possible, if we look at altcoins, right, if we look at FTM here, just looking at this chart here, it's been doing nothing sitting on this support level. It's very possible it just rolls over, breaks down. And a lot of other altcoins do look the same. Filecoin, this is a daily chart, straight sideways consolidation, rejecting off of this resistance level at $5.80. Right, you can see the two most recent daily wicks. Daily candles have wicks above but close below. So it could just be stopping shorts out before the actual move down. I am well aware of how this market looks. It does look like it could realistically roll over. But if we do roll over, like I said, Bitcoin, I would expect lowest for it to go to $25,250, and I would expect a sharp reversal out of that, back up higher. Let's go look at Bitcoin here, back up to the range highs. Right, if we do roll over, I would expect a quick cascade liquidation down, quick recovery, and I would expect the highs to get attacked right away. All right, I'm still leaning bullish, but I'm well aware of the fact that this can go ahead and it can go grab liquidity down here below 26K. So realistically, I'm going to enjoy this holiday weekend. I'm not going to stare at these charts. I wanted to get this update video out to share my thoughts on the market, but really not too much to update on because it has been straight sideways from here. Big debate whether this goes up or down, but like I said, I'm choosing to stay out of that debate. I'm remaining neutral, but leaning on the bullish side at this current moment in time. Now, I do want to share an update with you guys because if we look at my channel and on my live streams last week, I went ahead and I was discussing Elon Musk changing the Twitter logo to Dogecoin, and I also shared with you some new Elon Musk meme coins. The main Elon meme that I shared with you guys was monkeys. If you guys didn't see that, if you go to Elon's Twitter account, as you see, this is Elon's account, 134.2 million followers. If you hit the three little dots here and you go to view lists, Elon Musk has created a list called monkeys. And there is a meme coin now called monkeys. All right, and as we know, Elon is the founder of Neuralink. That is going to be the brain chip that's going to essentially make you connected to artificial intelligence. It's basically going to make you a very smart robot if you choose to get that. But how do you think Elon is testing this technology? What animal is he using to test his brain chips? If you think for a second, what is the closest animal to a human being? It's a primate. It's a monkey. All right, so Elon has created this list called monkeys. He has not tweeted anything in this list or added anything to it yet, but I've been in this market for quite a long time now. I was in Floki in 2021. I got into Floki semi-late. I got into it when it was already over a $100 million market cap, but it went to a $1 billion market cap. I still caught major multiples with Floki by being so late. But I've seen how memes can absolutely explode in this market. I am not one to shill meme coins. You guys have been subscribed to me for quite a long time now. You understand that I rarely talk about these. But when I see potential in something, I will share it. And Monkeys is one of those. Now, what happened was they actually had to relaunch the token contract, and that did just happen today. So I put out a message in my Telegram group yesterday evening talking about this migration. It was time sensitive, which is again why you need to be in my Telegram group. I also shared it in my Discord, but they did go ahead and migrate to a new token contract, right? This was the original token contract here. As we see here in Dex Tools, it said this token has performed a token swap. Do not buy this token. The market cap went down to 157K because basically they moved all the liquidity. And the new token is over here at a $3 million market cap, which is up 3x from yesterday. But if you did not send in your Monkeys token to the address specified in the Monkeys Telegram group in the pinged message, I'm sorry to tell you that your Monkeys tokens are not worth anything now. So they did do a token contract migration. I think that this has the potential to be one of the biggest meme coins in the upcoming bull run, which is why I'm talking about it right now. I see the potential behind it. I've seen how Floki went from a meme coin that also did the same exact thing as Monkeys here. They did a token contract migration in the very early days. If you search Floki Crypto Empire on YouTube, you'll see my videos from 2021. And Floki did well from these videos, but there was a lot of comments on them. At the time, I wasn't even aware, but there was a lot of comments on them saying, oh, like I got screwed over by Floki because they did a token contract migration. Essentially, all that means is that the original developer created the meme coin for his own benefit. He did not have correct ethics in place. He only did it to make a quick buck. Then he slow rugged the project, so the community banded together to launch a new token. That's exactly what happened with Monkeys, and that's exactly what happened with Floki in the early days, and then went to a $1 billion market cap coin. All right, so I've seen crazy things happen with these meme coins. Again, very high risk play and not financial advice. I made it very clear that you should only allocate a very, very small percentage of your portfolio if you're going to play these memes. But nonetheless, Floki is still at a $330 million market cap. Okay, so these meme coins do have potential to be huge. And being that this one is so connected to Elon Musk, right, he literally made a Twitter list called Monkeys. And all it's going to take is one Monkeys tweet to absolutely send this one to the stratosphere, in my opinion. So I am playing this one, and we'll see what happens with it. But again, they did do that token contract migration. So if you watched my live streams last week, and if you didn't join their Telegram group or follow their Twitter, or if you didn't see my message in the Telegram or in my Discord, well then I'm sorry to inform you that the version 1 tokens they're not completely worthless, but they are down basically 99%. I migrated. I know a lot of people in my community migrated that were paying attention. I tried to get the message out as best I could, but I know a lot of people didn't unfortunately get to migrate. This is crypto. Things change in a minute, right? This is the most fast-paced market in the entire world. You really need to be tapped in. So again, the migration already happened. If you didn't migrate, then these tokens are really pretty much worthless right now. But regardless, I'm excited to see what happens in the future with this one. High risk meme, not financial advice, but all it's going to take is a good market environment. We saw what happened over here back in January, right? If you guys recall, back in January when Bitcoin pumped from 16K up to about 21K, the meme coins went absolutely ballistic, right? I really choose not to play meme coins 99% of the time, but I see an opportunity here, so that's why I'm even speaking about it in the first place. But regardless, Bitcoin trading in this tight, choppy range, I imagine that it will resolve this upcoming week. We're going to get volatility back into the market. We have our levels outlined. Mark out the levels I share with you on your own chart so that you are prepared if we do get the dips down and you don't panic. All right, you should not panic sell Bitcoin over here at 25K. In my opinion, this is the lowest it goes. This is going to act as strong support before a quick reversal back up, another attack of the highs, and then we break out. Or there's even the possibility that we just break out straight from here. So that's my stance on the market. I'm leaning bullish But right now I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to enjoy this holiday weekend. Again, happy Easter. So in this video, I shared my thoughts on Bitcoin, Ethereum, and a few altcoins. I hope that you did enjoy it. If you did, make sure you let me know by smashing that like button down below. And if you are brand new to Crypto Empire and you're not already subscribed to the channel, go ahead right now and smash that subscribe button down below and turn on all the notifications so that you don't miss any future videos. And my name is Connor from Crypto Empire, and I will see you in the next video.